On Windows 11, the ability to view all the installed apps using PowerShell can come in handy in many situations. However, perhaps the best use scenario is when you have to uninstall a Microsoft Store app that you can remove from settings and you want to find out its internal name to force the uninstall using PowerShell. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to view install apps with PowerShell on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for PowerShell. Right click the top result and click the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to view a list of installed apps and press enter. Type the following command to view all the apps with details and press enter. Type the following command to review install apps with the WinGet command and press enter. Once you complete the step, you will see a list of all Microsoft Store apps installed on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.